In May 2026, the European Space Agency and Chinese Academy of Sciences sent a very special satellite to space. It is called SMILE, and I think it might be one of the most important launches of the year. Here's why. So up until now, one solar storm could shut off the GPS, the internet, and the power grid that we are using right now. In 1859, a storm hit so hard that telegraph lines started throwing sparks. Paper caught fire on the desks, and some operators reported that they got shocked by their own machines. That was the Carrington Event, the biggest solar storm on record. Storms like it have knocked satellites offline. The ones our map, our phone signal, and our flights all run on. And it can also black out the whole city. The unsettling part is we can't even understand this storm. We can't even predict the one thing that could take down almost everything that we rely on: the power, the phone, the internet. SMILE is the first mission built to change that. You might wonder what has been protecting us from these storms this whole time. The answer is an invisible magnetic shield around the Earth. A force field the planet makes all by itself. Deep down, an ocean of molten iron churns around the core and turns Earth into a giant magnet. One with a field so big that it reaches far into space and pushes the solar wind away. It's 4 billion years old and is the reason why this planet still has its air, its oceans, and us on it, while Mars didn't. Till now, nobody has ever actually watched how it works. We only managed to measure it from a few points, like feeling one corner of an elephant in the dark. And that is SMILE's job now, to watch the whole thing. The solar wind is charged particles streaming from the sun. When it hits the edge of our shield, those particles steal electrons from stray atoms in our outer atmosphere and release the energy as a faint X-ray glow. SMILE carries a camera with lobster eye optics. It photographs exactly that glow, and that allows it to map the shape of our shields. So for the first time, we can get the global picture of how Earth responds to the solar wind. We can watch the shield bend, flex during the storm live. From its wide orbit, it can watch for many hours as a scratch, long enough to catch the storm from beginning to an end. If we can watch a storm built in real time, we can warn the grids, the planes, before it hits. With SMILE, we go from praising for space weather to actually forecasting it. We finally get to read the shield that's quietly kept us alive for billions of years. Interested in how science and tech impact your daily life? Come join me.